Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with the September Build a Journal challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. We are so far into our journal. We are now on day 20. Are you excited? We are on day 20. We only have 10 more days to go before our journals are done. And today we are adding some last minute little touches to our pages. We have so far to our pages in our signatures, we have like stamped them and painted them and stenciled on them, sewed them, and then in the last we've added pockets and stuff like that. But in the last video we added fabric ruffles. But today we're adding ribbons and trims. And you might think, well, what's the difference between fabric ruffles and ribbons and trims? Well, I'm going to tell you. There really isn't that much of a difference. It's just more texture to add to your pages. Like, I have a lot of pom-pom trim, so I'm going to add some pom-pom trim to mine. I'm going to add some ribbons. And in today's video is also the day we are going to finish our tags. Remember I told you that my drawer was blocked? Well, it took a lot. Like, I dropped my laptop trying to get out my ribbon and trim drawer. So that's what I mean. It was blocked. So I did not do it when I did the tags, but I knew I needed it, so I moved everything, and I still knocked my laptop over. Like, it is what it is. My laptop actually sits, like, here is my camera. My laptop is down there on I have this big file folder bin. It's a gray fabric file folder bin that sits on the floor that holds all my 8.5 by 11. If you want to know what I'm talking about, there is a video on how I organize my small spaces, and it's in there. I will link it down below if I remember. If I don't remember, please remind me, and I will, if you're interested. But that's what my laptop sits on, and it blocks all of my plastic drawers, and I have to move it, and it's very heavy. So that's what happened. I knocked everything over because I'm a dum-dum, and also I'm a dum-dum because I did not prep, except for pulling out the drawer. What it comes down to is I have just filmed the 6 tags, adding the tags, the fabric ruffles, adding the fabric ruffles, and now I'm on ribbons and trims. I'm trying to pump them out. As I've said, I'm filming early in case anything happens, because I like to be prepared. No, I was never a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout for that matter, but I like to be prepared. I'm going to pause and grab my ribbon and trim drawer. I'm going to grab my ribbon and trim drawer and grab my journal, and we will get started. Okay, so here is my ribbon and trim drawer. It is huge. Look at this drawer. It is so big, and while I'm thinking about it, I can put that away. It's been there for a while. We had to buy new toys for my son's cat, for one of those things that you like, it's on a string and has a feather, and you just like, it's on a stick. Well, the string broke, so this is what we use for the string, and it's holding up. So let's figure out what we want to do. I'm definitely going to use some orange pom-pom, so let's pull that out, because I mean, you have to. And then what else do we have in here? I have a bunch of, how about this yellow Rick Rack? This I got on clearance at Joann. I believe it was spring. Yeah, in full bloom. It's a spring one, but it's a good color. I'm going to use, what other colors should I use? I don't want to use a red pom-pom. So what other pom-pom should I use? I have so much crap in here, and it's such a mess. Oh, we have this. Should I use this? This I got from Temu. Yes, we'll use that. And then another pom-pom. I really do want to use another pom-pom trim. You can't just have one pom-pom trim. But it's like deciding which color to use, I think, is the issue. How about this white? This cream colored. Or should I use, like, I even have like tinsely stuff in here. So much stuff in here. Or should I use this, if I ever get this out, black and white tiny pom-pom. We'll pull that out and see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more because you know your girl feels odd when it's not even, and I don't know why. It's so stupid. It is so stupid. Ooh, we have some of this burlap. Let's use some of that burlap. It's fat. I'm going to put this aside, and then later on I will, off camera, put the ribbons in the tags, because that's not what day today is. Today is not tag day. It is ribbon and trim day. I'm going to, I really think I want to put pom-pom trim here. Let's see, how would it look? Well, let's see here. Look how fat our book's coming already. I mean, and we're not even like close to being done. So if I put the pom-pom here, I mean, I think we need pom-pom there, right? And then that means I think I need some in the back page too. So let's do the cream in the front. All right, I need my Fabri-Tac. It's all you need, and it's so easy to put any kind of trim in. And all you do is take your glue and run a bead down all the way and get it on your book corner, because why not? Take your trim, and now try not to pull it, because then it keep it the natural, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, don't stretch it. You don't want to stretch it. You just want it to be the natural length it's supposed to be. Okay? And then, of course, I put my scissor away. Why wouldn't I? And then we're just going to trim that little bit off. I put my pom-pom back in my drawer, which I put on the floor. And then there we go. We have one down, and then we're just going to go in the back and do the orange in the back. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our pom-pom. We're going to take our glue and run a bead of glue down the edge of the journal. Okay. I hope you can hear me. I accidentally knocked my microphone. I'm sorry about that. I don't know when I did that. Probably ages ago and I never noticed. Okay. And then, once again, try not to stretch it. You don't want to stretch it. You just want it to fall in the natural way it's supposed to fall. And then clip it. Okay. Put that back in the bin. So now we have those. Okay, so here we go. Here we have our pom-pom. Look how cute. This journal is so chunky. It's so chunky. Let's see. Right here, let's put this green vine. I'm going to trim it because it is very long first. Okay, there we go. And put that, I got on Temu also, by the way. Okay, so just gonna put, once again, just a thin line of glue, and it went crooked, so we're gonna follow the glue line. Not a big deal. I'm just going to lay this down on the glue line. I kind of like that it went crooked. Now it's giving it a little bit more interest. And then this is so twisted. I'm just trying to untwist it as I lay it down. And it looks like I need more glue up here. Did it not get glue? I don't know. There we go. And I'm going to leave that little bit sticking up, because why not? And then I still have my rag from a few videos ago. I think maybe, was that last video? I think it was just the last video. Okay. There we go. That looks super cute. Look how cute that looks. All right, now we have this rickrack. Let's go to the second signature and find a spot for it in there. Put right here. And just do the same thing. A line of glue up the edge, and then lay the ribbon down. Yeah, this was a clearance ribbon. I'd only buy ribbons on clearance. They're so expensive, especially for ones that are specialty like this. It's just so expensive. And this one was on clearance from spring, and it is now the end of summer. It's almost fall, and it was $4. I think I paid $1 for it. Yep, but it was definitely from Joann because it's Place and Time, so it was from Joann. Okay, so we have this one. Look how cute that looks. And now I do have this burlap. This is from the Dollar Tree. Let's go back here and see where we can put it. Is there even a spot? I feel like this back page needs something, because I'm not actually going to use this page, because I don't count these two as days. But I also feel like this is too wide. Let's cut it. It's very wide, right? Cut it down the middle here. And I'll throw the rest in my bucket, my drawer. I don't know why I keep calling it a bucket. It is a drawer. And I'm going to do a zigzag down the side because this is thicker. It's also holy, so this is going to be gluey also. Look at that. It was like the right size for the page. Okay. There we go. That's glued down. All right, and then this, we have this black and white little pom-pom trim. This I got at Bed Bath & Beyond last Christmas. It is 30 feet long. And this was like 50 cents. I got 2 of them. They'll last me forever. Okay. Are you enjoying it? Every time I go through here, you guys get a little glimpse of everything that we've done so far. Okay, yes. I love this little pom-pom trim. It's just adorable. These little tiny pom-poms are so cute. I just want to measure out the correct length though, so I can put this away. I'm going to snip it like about here, so I can put this away and get it out of here. Okay, and then do the same thing. A line of glue up the edge. Yes, I did miss some glue up there. That's probably what I did on that other page too. And then there are 2 sides to it, so I'm going to use the good side, obviously. I would hope I use the good side, not the bad side, but you never know. Okay. Alright, and it was a little long, so we're going to snip that little piece off. Okay. There we go. Wait till you see how chunky and chubby this journal is now. It's so chubby and chunky. Okay. Look at it. So this is what it looks like. Look at how cute it is. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Like, how are you not in love with this? I love it. Okay, so we have our pom-pom right here in the front. I love a good pom-pom trim. What other trim? I don't even remember it. I feel like it's been so long, and it has not been that long. So, oh yes, we have this trim right here. I love it. Look how good it looks with that page. It looks so good. And then we have our burlap right here. And look, it's going to fray nice, so it'll be really nice. There we go. And then here we have the yellow sparkly rickrack. And we have the little mini black and white pom-pom. And all the way in the back, we have the orange pom-pom. I mean, it's just adorable. Adorable. There we go. So, your job today is just to glue trims and ribbons and stuff like that into your journal. That's your job for today. Very simple job. Yeah, whatever you have. Use what you have. And then that's it. That's all you have to do today. And look at how much fatter this journal is getting. Look at that. It's chubs. It's chubs. I love a good chubby journal. I'm actually going to really love using this, and it's probably going to, by the time I'm done with this and using it in October, it's probably going to be like this. I'm just warning you now. Like, this is probably how big it's going to be. They get big. They get big. Yeah, so comment down below and let me know what your favorite kind of trim to use is. I'm not going to lie, my favorite kind is pom-pom. It's just fun. It's just fun trim. That's my favorite. So let me know down below. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.